This is an emergency alert from the National Weather Service. A tornado warning has been issued for your area. A tornado has been sighted or indicated by weather radar. This is a life-threatening situation. Take shelter immediately. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Cover your head and body with any available protection. If you are outdoors, in a vehicle, or in a mobile home, seek the nearest substantial shelter now. Do not wait. Act immediately to protect your life. Stay tuned to local authorities for further information.